How to enumerate a range of numbers starting at 1. I am using Python 2.5. I want an enumeration like so, starting at 1 instead of 0. I know in Python 2.6 you can do h equals enumerate range 2000, 2005, 1 to give the above result, but in Python 2.5 you cannot. Using Python 2.5. Does anyone know a way to get that desired result in Python 2.5?
As you already mentioned, this is straightforward to do in Python 2.6 or newer. Python 2.5 and older do not support the start parameter, so instead you could create two range objects and zip them. Result. If you want to create a generator instead of a list, then you can use izip instead.
Just to put this here for posterity's sake, in 2.6 the start parameter was added to enumerate like so. Enumerate sequence, start equals 1.
Python 3. Official Python documentation, enumerate iterable, start equals 0. You don't need to write your own generator as other answers here suggest. The built-in Python standard library already contains a function that does exactly what you want. The built-in function is equivalent to this.
Easy, just define your own function that does what you want.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.